everybody, Pandi here. Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. How's everyone doing? If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know what it is. Kick back and relax as we sit back and chop it up. I am just hopping on real briefly, guys, to come back and update you guys with the final results of the wig restoration that I did on last week um, with these two synthetic units. Hold on, let's bring some light over here. I just wanted to come back on and just show you guys. Both of these units are synthetic. Okay, they are not human hair, they're synthetic. Both of these units I've had for over 1 year. Okay. Um, Basically, I have so many units that I alternate them out. This one here that I'm wearing is probably maybe a month and a half, 2 months old now. The thing about colored hair is it starts to get raggedy quick, so I try not to wear it as often. But it's a nice style and I love a middle part, in case you hadn't noticed. But I just wanted to show you guys. Now, if you remember correctly, I came on and I talked about with the synthetic units, being that they're made out of a synthetic material, which is very similar to fabric or even plastic. What I used, which I learned from another YouTuber who happened to be a celebrity stylist, was to use fabric softener. And I meant to bring that in here with me because I use the Suavitel brand. So what I do is, because I usually apply light products to the hair to give it sheen and whatnot, the Suavitel fabric softener will go in and act as a soap or a detergent, if you will. And I let it soak in a basin overnight in the soapy water, which is really not soap, it's just a fabric softener. It goes in, it cleanses the product because it's soaking, and it removes all of the buildup, the product buildup that you've applied to the hair for styling purposes. It leaves a nice fresh scent. You know how fabric softener smells. Think about your Downies or your Bounce. And as you can see, this wig texture here is already a light yaki texture, which means that it's kind of straight, but it's kind of kinky because it's designed to mimic African American hair. Now this hair style on this unit is cut into an asymmetric bob. So I'm just trying to get up close on the camera and in the light just so y'all can see the nice luster and sheen on this unit after my process that I went through step by step with you on last week. It's not matted, and this is a under $25 wig. It's like an asymmetric bob in the front, and I just have my little clips here, a pin curl there, because what I do is I swoop that front part, down and over the eye. Now, with this particular type of synthetic unit, it can take heat up to 180 degrees. So since it is over a year old and that's kind of fallen flat, I'll probably have to go in with a little heat and just put a nice curl in so that I can recreate that feathered bang. Now, I don't know if you all can see this. This particular unit does have the synthetic illusion parting space. Um, what I typically do is I'll go in with a Maybelline Fit Me Compact in a shade or two lighter than my shade. What you do with your Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder Compact is you'll take you a nice little skinny angled brush and you just go dab that in there, literally go into the parting space on the unit like such. And you just give it that illusion part. What that does is that creates a realistic looking part on your wig. Now, the wig that I have on right now, you can see I've got my illusion parting in there. Okay? So it just gives the appearance that the hair is actually coming from your scalp, is basically what it's designed to do. From there, the other two products I would proceed to style this unit with would be this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. That's going to put a little bit of shine back into it, and it's also going to reduce the frizz and tame the flyaways because it's the curly unit. You can see that it's very wispy. And again, keep in mind that it's over a year old. I bought this wig. This is the Chastity wig, I think, by Bobbi Brown, and it's not a lace front, it's just a lace part. So for it to be over a year old, it's still in excellent condition, but it is a little wispy. So that serum is going to bring those flyaways down and tame them. And this is really, really a cute wig. This is one of my favorite wigs because it's trendy. It's short and hiked up in the back, and then it's long at the sides, and then you've got your nice feathered bang over one eye. I would also take, just to secure the wig, these two products. You got to be glued. I literally just pop a dot, boop, right there, and I'll just kind of tap that out, let it air dry. I see some people on here blow dry until it gets like a sticky consistency. I don't do all that. I literally just let it air dry for about 5 minutes. I spritz a little bit of the freeze spray on there, and I literally lay my wig down, tie the satin scarf on, proceed to get ready with my makeup, moisturize my face, and as you can see, that wig ain't going nowhere. It is very, very secure and in place, and that's going to be there all day. And the beautiful thing about that product is at night when I come home from work, like now, I want to go in and take my scrubs off and get ready for bed. I have my water spray bottle, spritz it right there, work that water in, and it literally, you can put your fingers right up under there and just lift it off, lace it on the mannequin head, and you're done. You're not pulling out any edges, and your wig is intact. And again, just sharing some tips on how to properly restore your wigs and take care of your natural hair while wearing your wigs. Now, again, as you can see, I love a good middle part bob. I think this is the Bobbi Boss Lena. This wig is about 7 months old. I have done flat ironed this wig. I have done everything to this wig, but look at that. all the lint's flying out of it, of course, because it's kind of dusty in this room back here where my camera and stuff is set up. But honey, this is a tried and true under $25 wig. It is cute. I literally did the same process with the Suavitel fabric softener. As you can see, it also has the illusion parting space. It's actually, I think it's a 4-inch deep or 6-inch deep parting space that runs back. So yeah, and this is synthetic hair, but it can take up to 180 degrees heat. So I would go over it with my flat iron. I would also follow up with my Garnier Fruit Juice, tame the flyaways. But as you can see, look at the body and the movement. That does not look like a 6-month-old wig. Most wigs after a while get stiff. They have no movement. They're all hiked up in the back on people's heads. Yeah, this stuff here is under $4 and it works wonders on your wigs, ladies. Proceed with the Got to Be Glued gel. I usually do it right at wherever my part is because I want that part to be sealed and I don't want it to be on my edges. My edges are free to breathe. Okay, and then I would seal it with this, let that air hit it so that it gets at cakey gummy consistency. Apply my wig, tie my scarf, proceed to get ready with my face makeup, moisturize, and put on my clothes. And by the time I take off my scarf, I'm good to go. And I'm good. And as you can see, the wig's secure. It's not going anywhere. So again, guys, get this light out of my face. That is part 2 of the video that I started with you all on last week on how to restore and revive your wigs. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. And as you can see, I love my wigs over here. I am a naturalista underneath. However, I enjoy the versatility of changing my hairstyles. And rather than damage my natural hair, which is in its naturally curly state, I opt for wigs. So I generally talk about wigs, hair care products, anything pretty much hair over here. I also do some TV show reviews and general commentary. I also provide networking for content creators and YouTubers that are just seeking information on how to navigate on this platform. And that's pretty much what I do here. So thank you all for stopping by. If you enjoyed the content, please throw a like up on the video for your girl. And please subscribe. Take a moment to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And I greatly appreciate it. All right. Until next time, you all be blessed. Bye-bye.